What's up mga kagandahan? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Chris Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung crowning moment ng nakarap na Pinipining Pilipinas 2025 at ito yung nangyari kagabi. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung video at later ibibigay ko ang reaction at opinion ko on the said video. So, let's go!
I shall begin by announcing the second runner-up, and she is Beanie Beanie. Kathleen Enid Espanido from Siargao. She takes home 400,000 pesos in cash, a 6-month supply of My Daily Collagen, a 200,000 pesos smile makeover from Urban Smiles, club membership with 150,000 pesos worth of women's services from Med Club Diagnostics, an 18-month membership and 30,000 pesos worth of gift certificates from Gold's Gym, and a full scholarship from Executive Training Institute of the Philippines, sole franchisee of Dale Carnegie Training Philippines. This year's first runner-up is Beanie Beanie number 36, Dalia Guardacata of Las Piñas. She takes home 400,000 pesos in cash, a 6-month supply of My Daily Collagen, a 200,000 pesos smile makeover from Urban Smiles, club membership with 150,000 pesos worth of women's services from Med Club Diagnostics, an 18-month membership and 30,000 pesos worth of gift certificates from Gold's Gym, and a full scholarship from the Executive Training Institute of the Philippines, sole franchisee of Dale Carnegie Training Philippines. All right, Araneta, the moment is now. Our Beanie Beanie Pilipinas globe is none other than Beanie Beanie. Beanie Beanie 7! She takes home 1 million pesos in cash, 1-year supply of My Daily Collagen products, a 250,000 pesos smile makeover from Urban Smiles Dental Clinic, club membership with 200,000 pesos worth of women's health services from Med Club Diagnostics, an 18-month Gold's Gym membership with personal training and nutrition counseling, a full scholarship training and total personality and human development coaching session from the Executive Training Institute of the Philippines, sole franchisee of Dale Carnegie Training Philippines, and 50,000 pesos worth of accessories from Christopher Munar Accessories. And our Beanie Beanie Pilipinas International 2025 is none other than Beanie Beanie number 25! Six-month supply of Wellness Whispers by Danny Barreto, a 200,000 150,000 pesos smile makeover from Urban Smiles Dental Clinic. Club membership with 200,000 pesos worth of women's health services from MedClub Diagnostics and 18-month Brooks Genetic personal training and coaching session from the Executive Training Institute of the Philippines, sole franchisee of Dale Carnegie Training Philippines, and 50,000 pesos worth of accessories from Christopher Menard Accessories.
Pilipinas, here are your new queens. Let's give them a big, big round of applause.
Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung moment. Crowning moments nung Pilipinas 2025 na naganap last night. Yeah, last night sa Araneta Coliseum, and they crowned two of the magiging representative ng Pilipinas natin to. So yung nanalong second runner-up, hindi ko na kung yung pangalan niya, but she's beautiful. Then first runner-up is Dalia Katab. Yun, ang ganda niya, and pwede siyang bumalik uli to, or pwede siyang mag-compete sa ibang pageant, diba? No, national pageant. So, maganda siya pero medyo may kaliitan. Tapos, dun sa mga title holder, una si Annabelle Magdano. So, siya yung pinaka-popular among the candidates because of being a previous candidate from I don't know kung anong year sa MUPH, and she was appointed to represent Philippines in Miss Jam. Hindi ko rin alam yung year kung 2023 may something like that. So yun. Then the Miss International is Katrina Ann Johnson, and I don't know, sobrang puti na parang walang dugo yung itsura ng Katrina Ann Johnson na yun. So yun, she won the Miss Pilipinas International, and mukhang bumalik ulit sa dati yung Pilipini sa dun sa prototype ng Miss International. So bumalik sila to sa dating prototype ng Miss International, which is Barbihan, kasi this past few years, I think 24 and 23, they choose someone na morena, di ba? Yun isa, I forgot the name na unplaced, and ito this year na magko-compete si Mirna Esquera, morena rin, di ba? So yun, so hopefully makabawi ang Pilipinas, kasi nga from being maganda yung place, naging unplaced noong 2023, di ba? Or should I say 2024. So sayang yung haba ng placement ng Pilipinas. So yun yung mga nanalo, di ba? So I forgot the name. I think Espinito yung second again. Espinito yung second runner. First runner was Dalia Katab. Then Pilipinas group is Annabelle May Magdano, and Philippines International is Katrina Ann Johnson. So, sila yung mga bagong wins ng Pilipinas, and sadly, mukhang hindi masyado matunog itong batch na to except for kay Annabelle, kasi nga sa pagiging familiar ng niya. Pero yun nga, since nga binitawan ng Pilipini yung Miss Universe franchise, biglang naglaylo at hindi masyadong kainit ganun katunog yung Pilipini. Pero nonetheless, mga world class naman na beauty queens, mga Pilipini ng Pilipinas, despite ng hindi masyadong matunog yung pageant, diba? So yan, kayo mga kagandahan, ano masasabi nyo dito sa crowning moment ng Pilipinas 2025? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments. Okay, so thank you also, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye bye.